Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking for an all-in-one tool to run your service business? In this video, I will show you how to use Jobber step by step from booking clients to getting paid. If you're new to Jobber, this is your perfect beginner's guide. Jobber is a business management platform built for field service providers like cleaners, landscapers, HVAC techs, and more. It helps you manage clients, schedule jobs and invoices, and accept payments all from one place. Start by signing up at getjobber.com. Enter your business name or email address and follow the sign up process. If you have already an account, go to your log into your account and go to your dashboard. So go to your profile icon. Wait a minute. Go click on your profile icon if you already have an account. Once you are in, you will land on your dashboard. Here you will see tools like clients, requests, scheduling, quotes, invoices, and more. Let's add your first client. Click on Clients tab. Then click the New Client button from this page or choose a plan or add client. Then enter their name, phone number, email address, and service location. This keeps everything organized and lets you send quotes, jobs, and invoices in just a few clicks. To create a job, go to Job sections. Now click New Job. Choose a client and enter the job title and like a lawn mowing or window cleaning. Pick a start date, assign a team member, and set how long it will take. You can also repeat jobs weekly or monthly. Before starting a job, you can send a quote. Click quotes from the left sidebar, then click new quote and the service description price and add the service description price and any special notes. Then send it directly to your client's email or phone. They can approve it online. Once a client accepts the code, just click convert to job and it moves straight to your calendar. No double entry, no confusion. After finishing the work, mark the job as complete. Then hit Create Invoice. Jobber automatically fills in service details and pricing. You can edit the invoice and email it to your client instantly. Accept payments. Enable Jobber payments in your settings. Go to Settings tab. Right side corner, then click Account and Billing section. Now here you'll see the plan section or add payment method. Your invoices will then include a secure link where clients can pay with a credit card or bank transfer. You can even accept tips or deposits upfront. So now click invoices, then hit create invoice. Jobber automatically fills in your service details and pricing. You can edit invoice and email it your client instantly. Don't forget to don't forget the Jobber mobile app. It lets your team check schedules, track job progress, update notes, and contact clients on the go. It's like having your office in your pocket. Click on the Reports tab or Insights tab to see your income, outstanding invoices, top clients, and employee performance. This helps you grow your business with real data. Now, pros: easy to use, saves time, all in one dashboard. Cons: monthly fee after trial, limited customization on free plan. So choose one plan from here, like core for testing, or choose the connect plan. Just click choose plan, or see all comparison, like that. Then choose plan. Now enter your email address, country name, then add your address, your first name, card holder's name or card number, uh, expiry date, and CVV code. When you fill up all, just click confirm subscription from here. And that's your beginner's guide to using Jobber in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a full walkthrough on automations or payments. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.